New on Daybreak, we're getting an inside look at the action going on in our state government. It's part of our partnership with the Arizona Capital Times newspaper. And this morning, Jim Small joins us live. Jim, a major hearing about to happen in the Supreme Court. They're going to decide whether or not to eliminate the matching funds portion of this clean elections law. Can you tell us why they're going to do that?
Yeah, basically the challenge, which is filed by some Republican candidates and conservative litigation groups, is that the clean elections, but this matching funds, when they give additional money to publicly financed candidates for the amount of money spent by their privately funded opponents, that it basically violates the free speech of those opponents. It's based on a case from a couple of years ago where the Supreme Court determined that a lot of the federal campaign finance reform that did similar things was unconstitutional, and so that's what this lawsuit is based on, and later this morning the Supreme Court will hear arguments in this case.
What do you think the chances of survival are for this?
You know, everyone we've talked to basically kind of has the same opinion, which is that the court is almost certain to get rid of this matching funds provision. One of the things that they did last year, back in June, was even before they'd heard arguments, they went ahead and suspended this matching funds for the 2010 elections, for the statewide races, for the governor's race, and for legislative races. And so a lot of people saw that as a sign that this court was really going to take a firm stance and say, no, this matching funds is not allowable.
And real quick, I want to ask you this, just a few seconds left, but what makes Arizona's clean election system a national model?
Well, we were the first state to have this implemented for statewide races and for legislative races, and a lot of folks across the country, including other states like Maine, have taken the clean election system and adopted it as their own, so this could have big ripples across the country.
All right, Jim Small with the Arizona Capital Times talking with us about some possible changes to the clean elections law. Jim, thank you very much. And a reminder, Jim's blog is on abc15.com right now. Go to the top of the stories section to see everything else going on this week at the state capitol.